boys and girls, Miss Barrow here at ya, coming to bring you a Letterlander lesson. All right, we're going to start this afternoon with a quick dash. I'm going to show you the Letterlander, and I want you to tell me what sound it makes. Who is this? That's right, Clever Cat. What sound? Great job. Who is this? That's right, Firefighter Fred. What sound? Who is this? Jumping Jim. That's right. What sound? J. Great job. Who is this? Bouncy Ben. That's right. His sound is B. What is this Letterlander? That's right. It's Eddie Elephant. What's his sound? Eh. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's right. It's Golden Girl. What's her sound? G, g, g. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's right. It's Annie Apple. What's her sound? Ah. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's right. Stippy Duck. What's his sound? D, d. Great job. And last, who is this Letterlander? That's right. It's Impy Ink. What's his sound? Eh, eh. Great job, boys and girls. We're going to meet two new Letterlanders today. In our Letterland, in the center of our Letterland island, is the castle. And in that castle lives the Kicking King. This is Kicking King, and his sound is K. This is what our Letterlander Kicking King looks like. But this is what it looks like in our books. Kicking King makes the same sound as our letter C. They both make that K, K sound. Why don't you try it with me? What sound does he make? K, K. That's right. He makes a K sound. Kicking King has a big K, K key for his K, K castle. Kicking King loves to fly a K, K kite. I lost one of his pictures. And he has a pet kangaroo, but I have misplaced his card. So we have talked about Kicking King, and his sound is K. Great job. Another Letterlander we are going to meet is Lucy Lamplight. She has a light shade on her head, and she says, ooh. Say it with me. Ooh. Lucy Lamplight. Her sound is ooh. This is what the letter L looks like in books. Lucy Lamplight loves her lamp. Here is the lighthouse where Lucy Lamplight lives. She is the light in the top of the lighthouse. And do you think Lucy has long legs? So there is Lucy Lamplight. I hope you guys enjoy meeting our new Letterlanders of Kicking King and Lucy Lamplight and doing that quick dash with me. Remember, the faster you can say those sounds, the easier it's going to be to read. You guys have a great night.